Welcome back to my little Adobe Illustrator tutorials for beginners. This episode we're going to be really looking at the pen tool, and I want to show you the fundamentals of the pen tool. And this document that is going to be, you're going to be able to follow along with me. Everything I'm doing, all my keystrokes are going to be on screen, and this whole document is going to be in the description for free to download. So please take a second to download it if you haven't already. It's in Adobe Illustrator 2025. If you want to get right down to the same version I'm using. My layout might look a little bit different than yours. That's okay. Just follow my keystrokes, and if there's a specific thing I need to pop out or whatever, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be in here. And I'll go over all this again right at the end. So, our pen tool. What the hell is this thing, right? What this does is it lets us create any shape we want. And using these little things called anchors, we can manipulate them to create really whatever we want. We can make a little, that's like a little raindrop, but like we can do like a crescent moon almost. Something like that. Something like that. And so for this document, I'm going to walk through, I'm just going to do it really quick, a couple of these really quick, but I want you to go through and recreate these images using the different aspects of the pen tool that I'm about to show you. So first thing we're going to really be covering is, like I was doing before, you can hold shift to lock which direction it goes. It jitters a little bit on my monitor because my refresh rate isn't right, but it shouldn't jitter like that for you as much. And this will lock it to either 45, 90, all the way around. And what we're going to be doing with this is that lets us just make, right angles and stuff. Now, the next thing that I want to show you real quick before we get into this is the ability to, when you click and drag, you'll do this, but also when you let go, you see how it's affecting both of the, we call these handles, these little parts handles. When we're initially just pulling this, it's going to affect both handles, but if we let go, and if you hold Alt or Option on Mac, you can grab one handle and manipulate it separately of the other handle. And this goes all the way back around if we use our direct selection tool, which is what we're going to be using for anchors specifically. The hotkey for that is A. You'll see me pressing that all the time. You'll want to get that under your fingers. The A and V are the big ones. Anyways, we can grab the other anchor and manipulate it separately of the first one using Alt. So I'm just going to do a couple shapes here and I'll let you run and do the rest. But like for example, this one, we got a little star shape here. I didn't hold either for this one, you see. You just click, 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 click. Oh yeah. Now, if you ever have an issue with your shape being blocked, what the issue is you have your white color over here, and it's matching the background, so you wouldn't really be able to tell. The quickest way to get rid of that is we're going to press right here. We're going to click our shape, make sure it's selected. You're going to press V, the whole object selector. Go back here, and then we're going to just clear this out. Another way to do that is with slash. So what you can do is you'll switch them with X, and then you can clear this one out too. So what we can do is we can select it and then just press X slash, and now suddenly you only have a path. Now be careful not to lose this because it's not filled or outlined, but that's a quick way to be able to see what you're doing. I turn off my shapes all the time to be able to see what's going on underneath and make sure my lines are actually fitting to what I want to do. So for this one, we're gonna go like this. I think I click this and then I drag it out here. And then we're gonna go to this one. Just pull, and then we're gonna click here and just click, and suddenly we have created the exact same shape. Oh my goodness, I did not want to make that. There we go. It's the exact same shape, just because the handles we made follow the exact same spots. And that's all I'm going to show you in this one for now. Go ahead and do the rest of this worksheet. Get familiar with the pen tool. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If there's anything you want me to specifically go into about the pen tool again, this is a really big tool that you're going to want to get used to a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next part where we're going to talk about using the shape tool, which will circumvent some of these little shapes like this. I didn't even make this with the pen tool. See you in that one.